So, guys, my people, Mary don't come out this morning, come talk about what did happen for inside his house with the day. And he don't also talk say he won't use police to arrest Joy. Since Joy no one go come out for his house in peace. And a lot of things will be say blogger they talk about his certificate, the reason why I not bring out the certificate come out. So before I go into this matter, make I greet to now according to now time. If you are just coming across my video for the first time, please help me to hit the following button, share this video for me, and don't forget to drop your comments on the comment section. Like I always say, your opinion matters a lot. So this one is what Mary came out to say this morning. Let us know say she dey cry because you know say nah. A lot of his supporters they are no longer supporting her and then they give her woto, not be small something. So she don't say as nobody dey support her. But I wan ask Mary one question. Mary, shey you say you no dey watch anybody video. How come you know say that they talk about your certificate? That is my number one question. You say you know they watch people videos, you don't have time watching bloggers video because the thing be say una go dey feel pompous wey una not supposed to dey feel. Pride na dey see you see pride for this life is not good. Where you are too proud, you can't get pride. The thing dey cause problem. You see your problem now. The main people that are supporting you are not the people that is against you because your pride is don't fall you down. You go come out when people comment like this, any comment you see that do not suit you, come out, you start insulting them. Not only insulting them, you be insulting their father, insulting their generation, insulting their family. You think you have big mouth to talk. Nah. It don't jabaro. It don't jabaro. You don't they cry. You they cry inside, you they cry outside. People are giving you bag boosts outside. People are there. Joy is giving you bag boosts inside house. You don't even have where to go again. Your family has abandoned you. Just imagine. Come, let me tell you, Mary, you see in this life, a marriage is not by force. You are too young for all this. I am still always saying it. If something is not work out, you walk away in peaceful way. If Joy no wan come out, instead of Joy to go do one or two things against you, you walk away. Walk away. Now you are not crying because nobody is supporting you. You said they should stop insulting you. Where you know how to insult people. When you were insulting people, you don't know say people go dey insult you. When you were insulting people, see Anana, Joy don't dey give you woto inside house. Joy don't dey give you woto inside house. You are talking about the candle, yellow candle signified love, so that your husband will love him. The time when Joy say one go not be lot of lemon, your so-called husband say make no go. Make him marry Anna. You accepted to stay with Joy. Make una stay together now. Why are you complaining? Why are you complaining? Nobody is supporting you because you have bad mouth too much. When they finish supporting you, come and you call them out, you start insulting them. You start insulting people. Not only insulting people, but their parents. You say this thing not be content. Say you not be content creator. If you be content creator, if you don't reach your you go. Okay, we hear you. We hear you. You say they do a lot of things inside the house. You don't want to cry out because nobody will believe you. Yes, will not believe you because your attitude will not make people to believe you again. You say people they call you a lot of names. Yes, they are calling you a lot of names because of your attitude towards people. People are supporting you. You will insult them. When you see one negative comment, you come and insult the people, insult their parents. Do you know insult people receive because of you day by day? Do you know the insult people will receive it because of you? Every blessed day, dragging their family, dragging their children for your sake. Nobody won't take that risk this 2024. Stay your lane, face your battle on your own. Don't cry to anybody. Don't not cry, come out, make bloggers, they come begin, they fight themselves because of you. No. Everybody have his own home problem. Now, this is your home. Focus on it. No, focus on it, deal with it. You say your brothers they don't leave you, your sister don't leave you because they too have their own family problems. They too don't show better bad name because of your issue. So that made them stay away. Maybe probably they don't tell you me come out, or probably the way or that don't just know. So Mary, you say Joy they frustrate you. Deal with it. If you want to arrest am, go arrest am. Deal with it. Because the time when Joy want to come out freely, your husband, Lord of Lemon, say make you not come out. That he wants to keep both of you. You see him? He wants them to live freely. Now your husband, na cause am. The marriage certificate, you say is season. You not get your own copy. Probably you're supposed to have your own copy of the marriage certificate. So you say the prepare won't hold you. If the prepare won't hold you, you walk away before you go buy for inside marriage. I know it's not easy. It's not easy, but when something is not working out, you have to save yourself. The stress, the pain, when you dey go through now. So guys, this is my little advice for Mary, and wetin she come talk this morning. Not to say bloggers go come fight for you again. They will not fight for you this time around. They will not, because you don't do the shege banza. You don't have respect. You talk to people anyhow. Even if somebody offend you, people that is supporting you offend you, or they comment something you don't like, they are way. You better keep quiet and say something you are not supposed to say. You open your big mouth wide, you say something you are not supposed to say. You feel you dey on top of the world. Now you dey rain. Rain now. You are not crying because you see none of them is not supporting you. Deal with it, Mary. Thank you so much, guys. Share this video, my people. Please share this video. I beg you. I lay down. Share this video.